everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and this We Are Memory Keepers 1, 2, 3 punch board has taken my crafting and gift giving to the next level. I can use this to make handmade envelopes, which is lovely because I'm a card maker, and often I have more cards than envelopes. It allows me to make paper bows, which is excellent because I can't tie a bow very easily. And also for gift boxes. And the gift boxes you can make in many different sizes. The instructions make it so easy to make any of these projects. It's step by step. I just love the versatility of this tool by We Are Memory Keepers, this 1, 2, 3 punch board. I can make three great projects and of varying sizes, and it's been a great addition to my craft room. And that's my point of view.